Hey guys, so here I am decorating for another party, and this time it's going to be a Dia de los Muertos theme party. Here I'm just hanging some of my black curtains. I did do a Dia de los Muertos haul where I showed you guys everything I bought for this party. I do have a few more things, but today we're going to decorate this patio. I hope that it turns out great. Now my curtains are up and I'm loving how they look. And now I'm going to hang these awesome banners. It's some Dia de los Muertos theme banners. They're going to look amazing next to the black curtains. Now I'm going to decorate using these awesome tissue paper flowers. They're beautiful, they're big, they're bold, and I think they're going to look amazing. I'm going to make them because you have to make them first, following the steps, and then I'm going to put them up. They did come with this two-sided double tape little thing, and that's what I'm using to hang them next to my curtains, and I think they're looking super cute. I already put on this side as well, and it looks so pretty, and it definitely goes with my Dia de los Muertos theme. I do want to keep it simple but pretty, so now I'm gonna add this. It's like a plastic material, but this is what they used to decorate for the Dia de los Muertos, so I have to use some of it to tie in everything together. So let me show you guys how it looks and how I'm gonna hang it, and at the end I'll show you guys how it turns out. I really recommend these, guys. They're made out of plastic, but that's good because they're gonna last. The party's not today, so I hope it lasts a little while. On my patio, they look so pretty. They bring everything together. They give my patio that color that I need for the Dia de los Muertos theme party. This is gonna be the little dance floor, so I absolutely love how it turned out, how beautiful and how pretty it looks. Something so simple can transform your cute little patio, and I'm honestly so in love with the way it turned out.
Days keep flying, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line? I'll keep trying to find my wings, and when I do, I ain't never coming down. I ain't never coming down.
Let me know in the comments down below also if you guys have any other ideas for a Dia de los Muertos decor.
Well, I'll tell you what's been on my mind. I find it hard to breathe